Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm going to be driving through this road. This is Okwuta Ibeku in Ibeku Umuahia North local government area. The road you are seeing on your screen is under construction, but I'm going to be taking you guys to where work has already begun, where they are already working on, you understand, before they now get to these other areas. If the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. So kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. This Okwuta road you are seeing, if you just keep going straight, you are going to bust out at L.G.A. And if you want to apply through this road, through the L.G.A axis, it's not motorable at all. I tried to access the road through the L.G.A axis and we couldn't pass through the road because of how bad it is. So as you can see already, you are seeing this cat heavy duty machine, and you see the job is doing right here, and this big truck, and you are seeing men at work also. Like I said, the road is very terrible, very terrible. Like down, if you go down, you see how terrible it is, and the road is very long, very long. I couldn't even cover everything, due to how long it is. And another thing is, I got to a place where we just couldn't pass. The only people that were there were workers, you understand, the construction workers doing their job. So guys, as you can see, they are also creating drainage. You can see already they are already casting it with cement. There are iron rods that they have already plated in the gutter that you are seeing. We also hope there's going to be a closed drainage too, like we have been seeing of recent in Abia State. So Ndi Ibeku, outside don't know. If I'm passing your hood, tell me in the comment section. Iwuro Ibeku nearly this video. Tell me in the comment section. I know that the people living in this area of Ibeku, they are going to be very happy because of this road construction, because nothing gives joy, when you see that your area, the road around your house is okay. If you have a car, you can drive easily. You will now start looking for where to put your leg, trying to avoid the poto and the rest of them, especially during this rainy season. Now, this area now, you go see say the drainage, you observe that the drainage, they don't almost finish this one with the here. You understand? Unlike the previous one where we are seeing iron rods, popping out from the drainage. This one, they don't already cast down with cement. So guys, no much capping, no much talking. Just watch the video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section.